Today we're just going to replace the cabin air filter on a 2018 Audi RS5. So really simple procedure. Passenger side in the foot area, and we'll just go from there. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but basically way up in the footwell area on the passenger side, there's a bit of a foam plate here with a couple of push pins, one on each side, that you just have to basically pull out. And then this foam will come free, just like this. And then deep inside of there, you can kind of see the air filter compartment, which is really, really hidden on this one here. It's not that easy to see. That's near impossible to film properly where you could see anything, but basically I've removed the cover. And this is basically how it sits deep into the wheel, into the footwell there. There's basically 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you'll have to disconnect, drop out. And then you'll see the filter is just kind of hanging in there curved. So you just have to kind of take that out. And I'm assuming this is the original one from Audi. This one looks like a charcoal one, dark on the one side, and it's got an airflow in towards the cabin. I do have a Rock Auto one. It's not a charcoal one, but you can tell by the color. It should be good enough. I like to put the mileage on my parts as well too, just so I know when I change them, and then I keep a record of it. And sometimes you can, mileage is enough to tell you when to replace something. You don't have to be taking it out and inspecting it, so save a little bit of time. But whatever you like. I'll try to put that curved filter back in and snap this back in and go from there. Really no point in filming that though, but hopefully that helps.